Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how did I resurrect my old PC and in a way upgraded it by spending very less. So let's get right into it. I have an old PC which has an Intel Pentium G630 dual core processor operating at 2.7 GHz and an ECS motherboard. During shipping, it seems that it got damaged. Here are the dents that were not there on the CPU case before shipping. When I turned it on after shipping, PC was not even starting and there was no CPU fan spin as well. I tried to reach out to a PC specialist shop also, but they couldn't fix it and they said that existing CPU and motherboard needs to be replaced. When I disassembled my PC, I could see only one sign here highlighted in this image. You can see there seems to be a scratch on the traces of the motherboard. So my suspect is that the motherboard is damaged by broken traces. For CPU, I can try to test it, but on a new motherboard only once I get it. I also had a GT 1030 graphics card in the system, and since the system didn't give any display, I was also worried about the graphic card as well. I wanted a cheap but decent performing processor and motherboard combo, so I searched on the internet for new as well as used parts. In the end, I found this motherboard and this CPU on Amazon for around 4,000 Indian rupees, which is around 48 US dollars. Since this chip is an i5 3470, it will be an upgrade from the Intel Pentium G630, which was much slower CPU compared to this i5 3470. The motherboard is new and the processor is used, so you may need to buy a CPU cooler as well if you don't have it. In my case, the old one was working, so I used that only in my build since both the CPUs are LGA 1155 socket CPUs. Since I already had the RAM, SSD, hard disk and the graphics card, normal CPU and motherboard replacement was very cheap and I was able to replace these components only and resurrect my dead PC for a very low cost. After this upgrade, it also became a decent gaming PC. I can also use this for my virtual machines, or I can use it as a file server as well. As I explained earlier, the total cost of the restoration came out to be around 4,000 Indian rupees, that is 48 US dollars. I could have spent much more or yet got a bad or similar hardware for this cost, but instead I upgraded my old PC, which will mean I can use this for a few more years at least without any issues either in performance or in stability. Hope you like this short video that I put together to document this upgrade or restoration process. For similar videos or gaming videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please press the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.